Good morning, friend. Due to electricity interruption, our lecture is disconnected. So let's go to continue our topic, power plant pollution control. So see here, this is total setup of thermal power plant in addition of electrostatic participator. So and wet scrubber stack. This is total in three part added here: electrostatic participator, wet scrubber, step. So electrostatic participator, see here, this is ongoing the gases, this is incoming gases, this is matter plates, negatively charged particle attack to the positively charged metal plate, thin metal rod, solid particulates. See, this is positively charged metal plate. On this metal plate, negative charge attracted in this from the air. So this is electrostatic participator. This is high voltage metal plates, electrode support, electrode wrappers, high voltage system, collecting plate support. So air in and air out. Here collecting the collecting plates and solids, vapors. Here collecting plates, wrappers, collecting plate guide, and red cam rigid emission electrode. So wet scrubber for particulate matter, lime, gypsum, and dewatering. So clean gas going to outside, spray tower, bottom fraction, stirrer, flue gases, circulation pump, and oxidizing gases. Cyclone dust corrector. This is correct the dust at the bottom, outlet passage, air out, spiral inlet passage, dust and air in. So dust collected at the bottom and air removed from here in above side. So noise pollution control, next topic, the entire plant is so brokered or installed that resultant noise level within premises remain with standard limits. Standard for industrial area 70 decibel max outside the project property boundary. All the equipment in the power plant will be designed to have total noise level not exceeding 85 to 90 dB decibel as per the requirement of Occupational Safety and Health Administration's OSHA standard. The turbine will be housed in closed building which will reduce the noise level from the turbine generator. Earplugs will be provided to the workers and it should be enforced to be used for workers. So this is gases removed from the thermal power plants, various thermal power plant from fossil fuel, diesel power plant, gas turbine, nuclear power plant. So also we have seen in previous lecture what effect on exhaust gases from the thermal power plant on human bodies and natures. So this is hydrocarbon NOx sources, particulate matter, type of pollutant and health effect. This also seen in previous lecture. So see here, nitrogen dioxide, vehicle domestic air irritations, respiratory infection and impaired lung function. PM, traffic industry biomass, respiratory, cardiovascular, long-term effect. Carbon monoxide, traffic fuel, industry, headache, carbon sulfur dioxide, coal, heavy oil, combustion, breathing difficulty, irritation of eye, nose, throat and lung, asthmatic, lead, petrol plant industry, intellectual development, benzene, petrol, diesel, rubber, tire, cancer, ozone, photochemical pollutant, short-term respiratory symptoms, irritant effect on lung airways infection. Dry type cooling tower, direct type. So it's a direct type. In this, direct steam contact or gases contact with the pan or air. See here, this is direct steam contact with the pins or air contact with the pins. And post draft pan, condenser, condenser, receiver, condensate pump, feed water to the plant. So dry type cooling tower, indirect, direct type, we can see here turbine exhaust steam direct contact with the this water, poured water. In this way, we have seen effect on environmental effect by the thermal power plant. So today we are stop here. Any doubt, any queries, please ask me. Thank you.